Did you know that AI can now create stunning images in seconds? And some of these generators are completely free to use? It's like having a personal artist right at your fingertips. Flux Pro is one of those game-changing AI image generators that's taking the world by storm. It's a revolutionary tool that's allowing creators to produce professional-grade images in a matter of minutes without any prior design experience. And the best part? It's completely free to use, making it an absolute game-changer in the industry. What makes Flux Pro stand out from the competition is its ease of use and versatility. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or social media influencer, Flux Pro has got you covered. With its intuitive interface and advanced AI algorithms, you can create stunning images that capture your audience's attention and drive results. From social media posts to website banners, Flux Pro can generate high-quality images that are tailored to your brand's unique style and aesthetic. And with its constantly updating library of templates and assets, you'll never run out of inspiration or ideas. Traditional image creation methods can be a real hassle, though. From hiring a designer to dealing with expensive software, the process can be daunting, time-consuming, and costly. Not to mention the complexity of learning new skills or navigating cluttered design interfaces. And let's be honest, not everyone has the budget to hire a professional designer or spend thousands of dollars on Adobe Creative Cloud. That's why Flux Pro is a breath of fresh air. It levels the playing field and puts professional-grade design capabilities in the hands of anyone with an internet connection. But the challenges don't stop there. Even if you do have the budget, finding the right designer or agency can be a nightmare. You've got to sift through portfolios, schedule meetings, and hope that your vision is aligning with theirs. And even then, there's no guarantee of quality or timely delivery. And what about the time it takes to create an image from scratch? Hours, days, or even weeks of tedious work can go into crafting a single design. With Flux Pro, that time is cut down to mere minutes, allowing you to focus on the things that matter most, growing your business or sharing your message with the world. Not to mention the revisions, the back and forth, the endless tweaking and adjusting. It's exhausting, right? Flux Pro eliminates all that hassle and streamlines the design process, giving you more control and flexibility than ever before. Flux Pro is an absolute game changer because it's designed to put the user first. It's built around the idea that anyone should be able to create stunning images, regardless of their design experience or technical skills. That's why it's so intuitive, so easy to use, and so ridiculously powerful. With Flux Pro, you can generate images that are tailored to your specific needs and goals. Want a Facebook ad that drives conversions? Done. Need an Instagram post that stops scrollers in their tracks? Easy. Want a website banner that establishes your brand's authority? Flux Pro has got you covered. The process is incredibly straightforward too. Simply choose a template, customize it to your heart's content, and let Flux Pro's AI algorithms do the rest. It's like having a personal design assistant at your beck and call, 24/7. But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you some examples of what Flux Pro is capable of. In just a few clicks, I can generate an image that's worthy of a top-tier design agency. And the quality? Absolutely stunning. Check out this image, for instance. It's a Facebook ad designed to drive conversions, and it's generated entirely by Flux Pro. Notice the bold colors, the eye-catching typography, and the overall cohesiveness of the design. It's like a professional designer spent hours on it, but it took me mere minutes to create. The level of customization is insane too. From the font styles to the color palette, it's like having a team of designers at your disposal without the hefty price tag. Flux Pro is more than just an image generator, though it's a solution to the common challenges we face with traditional image creation methods. It's a way to bypass the complexity, cost, and time consumption and focus on what matters most: growing your business, sharing your message, and connecting with your audience. So, what are the key benefits of using Flux Pro? For one, it's free to use, which eliminates the cost barrier. 2, it's insanely easy to use, which eliminates the complexity. And 3, it's ridiculously fast, which eliminates the time consumption. In short, Flux Pro is a game changer because it democratizes design, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection. So, what's your experience been like with AI image generators? Have you tried Flux Pro or any other tools? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on AI, design,